बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक अगेन माय यूट्यूब चैनल स्टाइल बाय सुंदर्स। So friends, how are you? I hope all of you fine and well, happy and well. So friends, in this video I am going to show you Christmas decoration pieces ideas. Today we are talking about a mix of fashion and decoration. When your outfits and your style room both look stylish, the looks change, soft colors, pretty lights and elegant outfits. Together they create a classy look. Even simple things can make your beauty and home decor looks amazing. Stay with me and let's make your world more beautiful, from your office to your home. So friends, I repeat, welcome back my YouTube channel Style by Sundars. Your home is happy place. Add a few plants, soft lights and some cozy colors and see the magic. Small changes make a big difference. This Christmas decor looks so cozy and happy. Let's make your home looks beautiful. This Christmas, simple, soft and full of love. Pretty lights, shiny arrangements and a touch of gold. That's the magic of Christmas. Style every corner, can shine with love. Candles, ribbons and soft colors make it perfect. This look is all about beauty. in small details. Clean, cozy and elegant. Decorate your space with your heart. Simple ideas can make a big change. Red, white and gold. The classic Christmas touch that never goes out of style. Let's your room glow with fairy lights and soft flowers. Style is let your room glow with fairy lights and soft flowers. Beauty feels peaceful. Style is not just you wear, it's how you make everything around you beautiful. This season, let's make everything simple, clean, and full of happiness. So, friends, please like, comment, and share my videos. Subscribe my channel. So, friends, style is not